What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Rambo Lee back at y'all with another video. As y'all can see, we are at y'all see it. We are at the 𝙎𝙆𝙔𝙀𝙏. Me out here in Gastonia, North Carolina, and right now, I think I broke the credit card machine. So I think I broke the credit card machine while we were in here. So they're on the phone with the credit card people now. Hopefully, they should give it to me for free. I don't know why they don't do that. But I ain't gonna lie, this thing packed though. I mean, it's not as big as CCM, but it is a lot of cars out here. They got some dope artwork here though. Somebody kicking ass me, but yeah, I got about $100 worth of products up there right now, waiting on them to figure out what the issue is with the whatchamacallit. So, but before we get into some of these cars, make sure you go subscribe to the channel, like this video, and tell me what your favorite car is at the end of this. This is my first time at 𝙎𝙆𝙔𝙀𝙏. I'm gonna give y'all a review on tomorrow. I'm gonna record it while I'm washing the truck tomorrow, and I'm gonna give y'all a review on their products tomorrow. It's my first time, so I've been hearing good reviews about them. so we're just gonna do good. We're gonna do good with the wash. It's gonna take me 3 hours. I gotta steam this. All right, so I gotta go. I'll show y'all the cars. Here we go. Code 392, wide body scat. I don't know what kind of car this is, but it's a nice little Mustang Shelby with a nice black gloss black red stripes going down the middle. Another cold Mustang right here. Perfect song for this. C51. That's Audi work. Cold green. So, y'all, this is exactly what my Ram 3500 is gonna look like when I get it. But it's gonna be a little higher. I'm gonna go 14 inches on 3500 though. Alright, y'all, so they're still in 𝙎𝙆𝙀𝙏 trying to figure out what the world is going on with the machine. So I'm gonna give y'all a hint of what my truck wrap is gonna kind of look like. This is a hint, little hint, but it's gonna be different. It's gonna be a deep. It's gonna be a deep way. It's not gonna be the light look. But I do like this though. This is nice. Got the Fury off-road tires, Fury rims with the wheel lights. This one is nice. Make sure go follow them on IG at @silverbullet_26. This one is nice. As you can see it on the video, it does look better though. Yeah, all my new lights coming soon. That don't look good though. They got this nice shirt right here. Make sure go follow them at 𝙎𝙆𝙔𝙀𝙏150. These look like 26s. These look like 26s, so. But yeah, y'all. So I've been stuck in the store most of the time. So I ain't even really getting a lot of cars because a lot of people are starting to leave now. But I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. But it ain't gonna be as long because there wasn't a lot of nice cars here, but I just wasn't able to get around to them because 𝙎𝙆𝙀𝙀's having connection issues with their machine right now. But I'm gonna try to get as many cars as I can as they drive by. And just for the record, I also recorded the intro after I started recording cars too, so that's why it's kind of off. All right, let's get to some of these cars. Got a nice Charger right here. It's like a 392 Hemi with the Flow series. And he's a Q-Dog. And he has the 345 to match. And you already know what it is right here. We got the code. Hell, okay, you can't even see in that mud, boy. You already know he got that 707 in there. And they got the matte black stripes. He gonna be mad because he left his sunroof up just a little bit.
I want this on my way.
Yeah, go put them on. You gotta put some shoes on. All right, y'all. So, sorry the video was so short, but it wasn't a lot. It wasn't a lot to look at because when it started raining, people started to leave. But I mean, it was a lot of cars. Don't get me wrong. But I was stuck in Jack's Wax so long because they was having issues with the computer. And then come to find out near the end, they didn't even get the system right. But I did have something good come out of it last night though. I got entered in the raffle because I paid for like $100 worth of Jack's Wax products, and I will be having a review coming on that soon. We have some wash, got a t-shirt in there, got some tire shine, got some other goodies in there, some polish for my rims and all that good stuff. But I was into a raffle. Oh, excuse me, I was into the raffle for a mini motorcycle. And I was in there for 45 minutes waiting on the charter machine. And I tried to go out and get some footage of the cars, but everybody was leaving, so it was happening too quick. I did get a few, as y'all just saw, but y'all, I actually won the mini motorcycle, y'all. And right now, me and my son, yes, Kate, are about to go for our ride. We're about to go for our first ride on it. I took my first ride last night, but he said he gonna go for a ride, so we going for a ride. And it cranks right up too. Yeah. I'm gonna crank it up for y'all real quick. Videos of this coming soon. Me and my son gonna make some videos on this thing, but we about to slide. I'm gonna pull it out so you can come out here. But make sure I stay tuned for the other videos we about to have going on this thing. I'm about to jet, but we about to have some fun. Make sure I go subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to now, like this video, and we got some goodies coming for his truck coming up real soon. Make sure I stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, I'm gone for real now. Make sure I subscribe to the channel. All right, I'm gone. Peace.